Instagram is a favorite pastime of millions of people around the world, and that's why it's a great place for generating revenue. Once you've grown a loyal following, you can start making money from Instagram by promoting brands and businesses. Brands are ready to pay influencers a fee to be mentioned in sponsored posts. The fee level depends on the audience volume and niche of your account. For instance, in the beauty niche, accounts with 50,000 followers may bring $200 from one promotion. Instagram is a perfect place for promoting your products and services as well. The Instagram shoppable posts make the process of shopping seamless and effortless for users and may generate you an incredible sales volume. If you don't have any of your own products, you can join the affiliate programs of other companies and earn commissions when some of your subscribers make a purchase on the advertiser's websites. To start making money as an affiliate, you need to join a reputable affiliate program or network, for example, Travel Payouts, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten, or others. The affiliate marketing is one of the most profitable money-making strategies on Instagram, as its engagement levels are incredibly high, and Instagrammers often use the app as a search engine for discovering new products. As an affiliate, you can make money in almost any niche, such as food, health, science, finance, beauty, and others. To monetize your audience's love of travel, join the Travel Payouts Affiliate Network. In Travel Payouts, you will find monetization tools from Booking.com, TripAdvisor, Get Your Guide, and over 80 other major travel brands. Instagram is a goldmine of opportunities. Take the plunge and start earning on Instagram with the Travel Payouts Affiliate Network.